This boat can do literally anything you want to do. It's a great diving, fishing platform, dinner cruiser, overnighter, entertainer. For the 2025 377 Scout, we've got a real nice cooler seat that tucks away nicely, so you can still have plenty of room for fishing or grilling. You'll notice we've got a see-through live well on here, powered by 400 Mercury's on the back. This boat's equipped with Seakeeper stabilizer, air conditioning, inverter system. Look at all the great appointments on the hardtop. Rod holders all over the place. This boat's got the retractable sure shade, cell phone chargers. So as you can see, it's real easy to board from the boat dock. I'm standing on one of the 2 fish boxes that are down on the floor. Plenty of room for your electronics. And I love this. Air conditioning vents are there. Notice we have an electric table. Another great feature on this boat, in addition to the retractable roof we have in the back, look at this huge bow shade we have up in the front. This is an awesome boat you can take offshore or scuba dive, fish. Great boat for dinner cruising, just hanging out. All lit with MarineMax here in Houston, Texas.